For our next nature mockumentary, we tried to communicate with the turkey bird. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, you've gone absolutely nuts. Trying to talk to a turkey? That's impossible. Well, if humans can talk to humans, then why can't humans talk to animals? It's simple logic. We put a lot of hard work and time into this, and I think the results will surprise you. And they said it couldn't be done. Also, the Institute of Science refuses to give us any more funds, so we've decided to start a Kickstarter. Click on the link here to donate. Thank you.